unboxing new Beyblades.
Yeah, we are doing that because we don't know it.
So guess what, guys? We are unboxing. Guys,
Wait.
Star Pegasus and Lightning Arrow Drago. Like I mean, we have lots of Beyblades. I'm not using
We
this.
got the fox, man. We got the fox.
We have the fox. We have the fox Beyblade. It's Divine Fox, which when I searched it, it did really like it's a package inside of a package. Yep, I knew it. It's a package. Oh, we have two. Jacob.
What?
Oh, Jacob, this one's yours.
Wait.
Storm Peg. They say it's Storm.
Oh my God, this guy's one of my favorite faves
Bro,
when
they
I was
locked
a
this
tiny
thing up.
kid.
They locked
But also
thing
this
up.
guy is also this guy was my favorite guy when I buy them. But I also bought him a long time ago. But now I need to try.
Wait.
Ah! Anyways, I got cut before. Look. See this thing? When I was playing with my gun, it was so outside, I just cut my finger with it.
Oh my God, wait.
Cause I was out.
Yeah,
I was
this
so
thing is-
outside, I was bleeding. Wait.
This thing is buff. So guys, let's just open it the normal way.
Can you fix this way? Fix this way.
Later, I'll go fix Big Jupiter. Here is your Beyblade.
I tried to see it. Do I see him? Guys, no way. Oh my God, guys, I see him.
Ah, take that.
If this was a scam, then I would just cry.
Ooh, Storm Pegasus. Wait, what? Okay, no, it doesn't. It doesn't look like Storm Pegasus. You fix up that guy. Well, he got the bald tip.
I got video drago.
Now, later, let's fight them inside the stadium. Because,
We do have a stadium, but this guy looks really
Yeah.
good.
here we have,
Can I
Pegasus.
put this one? Okay.
Bro. Why is this freaking moist?
Mine is freaking good.
Ta-da! Okay, so we got this.
Okay, I think I need to put my sticker.
Yeah, I'm putting on my sticker right now. Star Pegasus.
Wait, can you put my sticker?
Yeah, okay. Let me help you.
This is the other side.
Yo! Wait, we got the tip for like
Oh, I got a short tip.
that's the tip for
I got the circle tip too.
Mateo Drago.
Cool. What tip I'm gonna use?
Just use this one. Use this one for now.
I have it.
And then
I need to see if this
for
guy.
me it's so wait, I think we should
not there with my eyes.
wait.
We have the white spin Beyblade.
Yo, wait, what?
It's a white spin Beyblade.
What? How does that happen?
I don't know.
Well, we have these.
For now, I'm gonna use this step.
Oh wait, what? You're not using this thing?
Yeah, because they said this is trash. I don't like this one.
I'm gonna go get like an aggressive tip. Oh yeah, I got an aggressive tip.
Kuya, I said, what are you even doing to them? But then you.
I use this back.
Guys, this is my favorite Beyblade when I was tiny. I need to figure out what the step. For now, I'm gonna just use the short tip. That was finished.
Anyways, we are using this the Filipino style.
Actually, we are Filipinos. But we are not gonna show you our address. You know why, right? Yeah, you know why.
Yeah. They'll follow us and kill us.
Yeah, and they'll follow us, and then they'll say, no, I'm not gonna do that because I don't have any. We don't have any Roblox. If you don't have any Roblox, I bought you already.
Okay, you wait me there. Okay, here we got Storm Pegasus. It's like this.
We do Drago.
Circle.
This kind of crystal Beyblade. Let's see what finished the video, Drago.
Okay, so look over here. I think we should put those like. What is it? By the way, this is Storm Pegasus. He's not that aggressive though. Oh, okay. I get it. So where's that one? Oh, here. Bro, I think we got like something else. I think
Wait, you gonna ruin my life.
this one will ruin your life. Come on, let's go play.
This one ruin my life. Wait, give me my Beyblade. Give me it.
Okay, guys, we're letting it rip right now. We got our fusion Beyblade.
Yeah, you gotta lose this.
Go shoot. Bro, why is it so aggressive?
Why is this a same spin? How am I keep on losing? Wait, they said in the manga the most best tip is spiky tips.
Yeah, okay.
Oh! See that? That was good. Why you guys always say?
I mean, like, we have lots of
This guy's actually one of my goodest bays I have already. He's good at
that's
me.
Jade Jupiter, by the way.
Yeah. Go find a new tip.
Wait, I'm going to find. No, that's aggressive. Weird. Oh, this one.
Now look. For who?
Wait, the battle takes so long though.
I'm gonna go get. My bad. Wait, can you move the tip, please?
By the way, this is the
Remove the
tip.
tip. Remove the tip.
I'm trying, but
Can you remove this tip, please?
oh, damn, it popped on. Now let's I put into like a different.
Is it okay if I put this on the tip so I can?
Yeah.
Wait, this for like the Beyblade?
Oh wait, it's going aggressive.
Wait, maybe use this.
No, but I know a tip can fit you.
I need to get my
no.
Beyblade. Are you excited? Anyways, guys. Micho is Drago's actually the goodest bay.
So,
If you don't know what's my face, then you just look in the first spot. Just look in the elevator. It's in the first spot. I don't know. No. Anyways, this step is one.
Bro, why does our Beyblade look like Dragon?
Anyways, this guy's so good. Bye, Beyblade lovers.
I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye!